This is a sweet story about Mama Cat, who is about to have her kittens. She and her husband, Papa Cat, go to the hospital, and their love and excitement grow as they prepare to meet their fur babies. Mama Cat and Papa Cat walk through a colourful town. Mama Cat holds Papa Cat's hand as neighbours wave and wish them good luck. Papa Cat carries a small bag. The couple reaches the hospital. A kind rabbit nurse welcomes them at the door and points them inside. Mama Cat looks excited and nervous. Mama Cat lies on a soft bed, holding Papa Cat's paw. A gentle bear doctor checks on her and smiles, telling her everything will be fine. Mama Cat holds her for tiny kittens, wrapped in soft blankets. Papa Cat kisses her forehead and smiles with happy tears. The room is filled with balloons and joy.